I'm Connie Brannon, and I want to show you something today. We're talking about weight loss, and I want to show you a winter coat. Today's a beautiful spring day, and yet I want to show you this coat. And I want to show you how weight loss success can be measured. Look at this coat. Now, if it was like this, look how wide this coat is. And now, look how it fits me in this moment. You can see it's different. This coat is rather large on me. This was my coat. So now I want you to look at this. If it was zipped and buttoned, there's like probably 12 inches between where the coat is and where my body is. That's a lot of extra fabric. So what happened to that extra weight? Hypnosis and NLP, that's what. MindWorks Hypnosis, I help people do this. I help them lose weight, have more energy, make new habits, make new choices, and get success. How do I know it works? Well, here's how I know. Look at the coat. Weight loss through hypnosis. It's something very special and very easy, and I'd love to tell you more about it. My website is mindworkshypnosis.net. Thank you for listening.